5 months on from her son's death after he self-harmed inside Unit 18, Cleveland Dodd is struggling.
Couldn't wish for a better child. It's loving, caring. I got a lot of mixed emotions at the moment. Just can't explain. Can't sit and talk about my feelings.
16-year-old Cleveland was on remand when he tried to take his own life in his cell in October last year. He died in hospital a week later. Now an officer in the same unit is accused of making light of his passing.
It's very disrespectful to not only the kids in there but the family, and it just should not be happening.
The Aboriginal Legal Service lodged the complaint with the Department of Justice in February on behalf of one of the young people it represents. The unnamed young person told his lawyer he and another detainee heard a youth custodial officer go into Cleveland's old cell and make ghost noises. The complaint alleges the noises were effectively making light of Cleveland's passing, which the ALS lawyer said could reignite feelings of traumatic stress.
It just tells us that Unit 18 is dysfunctional. Unit 18, and we've expressed this over a long period of time, needs to be shut down.
Initially, the Department of Justice said any complaint it received is assessed by its professional standards area.
Well, I hope that's investigated. They are very serious accusations, and it's important that we get to the bottom of that matter.
Later, the department clarified its assessment would include trying to verify the boy's claims.
There is a problem with regard to juvenile justice in Western Australia, and there's a cultural issue that exists, and it stems at the very heart of Unit 18.
We need people to love and support. We need people to be kind and listen.
The government says it's working to improve culture along with plans to close Unit 18, but that remains years away. For Nadine, she's hoping a coronial inquest will provide answers soon.
How have they been treating my son while he was alive?
More worse.
That's what I'm saying. We want to find out how they've been treating Cleveland on the inside.
Hearings are set to begin early next month. Kian Burke, ABC News.
And if you or someone you know needs help, please contact 13 Yarn or Lifeline on 13 11 14.